Ebube dike, ebube dike. Welcome everybody. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, just click as in just type. I can see your screen under the comment section. If you can see my screen, just type. I can see your screen under the comment section. Welcome everyone. If you can see my screen, just type. I can see your screen under the comment section. If you can see my screen, just type I can see your screen under the comment section. I'm waiting. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today, as our custom is, we will look for a setup and see if we can get a live trade. Uh, and as we know that I trade gold in the under the lesser section, but today I'll be checking every other pair too, and let's see if we can have setup from every other pair, so that because gold has been very very volatile. One, secondly, what as in we are still going to be talking about uh what is as in the patient as in the concept patience in the market, how to be patient and how to apply patience in trading, and what it means to be patient, and the difference between patience and fear of taking trade. So we'll be talking more about that so that we can also know that all these things, making money is as in trading is not about chart alone. So it's about a lot of things that involve, which is involve risk management, psychology, and patience is part of psychology aspect of the trading. So you have to understand what it means to be patient in the market before you know how to apply it very well. So if you can hear me, just type I can hear you under the comment section so that you can so that I can know that we are on the same page. And if you're on this session, I would like you to share the link of this live. Let's invite more people to also join us here and let's bring more engagement. Please share the link of this live for people to join us. So let's continue. Looking at this chart, I'm looking at the good year, and I can see what I'm still expecting is a sell market because you can see good has been buy without a proper pullback. So what is called pullback? I believe all of us will understand what is called pullback, which is a retracement movement that we're expecting the market to do before it took a impulsive movement. As it stand now, pushing up. So the reason, like I said, the reason that gold is pushing up is not because buyer are more distant, it's because institutional trader they are buying gold and they are not using chart to know that maybe they should buy gold from here or not. All the institutional trader are the ones, institutional institution, all the institutional trader, they are the one buying gold, and them they are buying gold at any price. Even if you get price increase more than this, they will still keep buying. So because they are the highest order of gold, because gold is serving as like a bank, it's like an asset in bank, like a currency in a bank. So and it's very safe. It doesn't like they believe that it doesn't lose value at a time, because the more they hold, the more the value of their gold. They know that the value of gold will be going up. So they already understand that. So when that's why you see gold keep pushing up without a proper pullback, like every other asset. And we see that it can go up at any time or come down at any time. So, but for it to come down, it's very, very hard, because when institutional traders as institutional are the one that they are buying. So, but for them to sell will be very, very hard, because them are not buying for a long time and for a short time. They are buying for a long time. They are buying for like, what do we see in the next 10 years? What do we think that this thing will happen? So they are buying and store. Unlike other currencies, like okay, they can say okay, oh, if there is news, let them sell off some pair. No, they know that gold is something that has been appreciated. If you go to yearly time frame, you know that gold has been actually chart very difficult to understand. So very soon, to be sincere with you, I will turn gold like me. I will be trading gold as a stable coin that I will only be buying on it. I will not be selling at all, because that's what it's currently doing now. So I will always be waiting for buy opportunity in the market, not more sell opportunity. So that's what I'll be. That's how I'll be trading good now. So New York session is it has opened already, and you can see that the New York session too, the New York traders too, they are also looking for what is happening in US, for them to know that maybe they should. So people that are selling, they are just a market maker, like market maker, like the liquidity provider, not institutional trader. Institutional trader are not selling good currently. They are not selling good, so don't expect gold to sell. So I can say that even for now, we should just hold on selling good. We should just hold on. Let me check USDJPY, because I have something very attractive on USDJPY. So this is USDJPY. The chart it looks so attractive. So I'm expecting it to come down to this level. But this trade is going to be more of a swing trade, not a scalping trade like a gold. So we can see that this place here, sorry. So this place here, we can see that the market take out the liquidity here, which means I will be expecting a proper pullback to this level here before market push up. So for everyone, if you want to take a trade, I can say, okay, oh, let's try something, but it's for a swing trade, because we don't normally get to this point here. Are you getting my point? So, but this is liquidity sweep, that market sweep. So I'm expecting the go to as in this market to come back to this place and do a very and before you continue the buy trend. So this is a USJPY, but this is swing trade. When I will send the signal into the Telegram channel, so that everybody can do what can take it. So that's all about this one. But gold currently, I will advise everybody to even remove and that's when I said I'll be talking to us about patience. You know, when you are want to take trade, when you want to take a good trade, you have to be extremely patient, a patient as a practice as a practice in the market. You have to look big. Reason being that if you look, even me, I was very hungry when I woke up this morning and I found out gold is actually at this level. I was actually very, very hungry, because this is a 5,045 level. It has reached 545, which is psychology level, which I expect gold to react from and start selling from there. But still, it's still holding on like as if you want to break that 4-5. And as this gold is doing, mostly when it start picking up the buy, it's always in the Asia session, which is in the midnight. It's always very painful to be seeing gold doing something like that. When during the day, you just be seeing a random trade, a random movement in the market. So it's part of what we need to adjust by next year. If you want to be a good trader, probably we'll be trading Asia session with New York session, not only New York session alone. So that's what I'm seeing. But London session is already out of me for gold trade. I don't trade gold in London session actually. I don't trade gold in London session. I just let the market do whatever you want to do during the London session. So, but this Asia session has been the only time that gold has been moving very well. So, the reason why I say we should talk about patience this afternoon is because in the market, if you are not a patience trader, you'll be jumping into random trader. Every trader have a rule for themselves, like, okay, once I see gold at this particular price point, that's when at this point here, that's when I buy or I sell. So if you did not see it, they are not going to take action. And it take a discipline or it take a patience. For when you are a patience trader, that's when you can be very, very calm for market to do what you are expecting the market to do. There's nobody in this life, if you don't have a rule, definitely you don't know how to act. Even you don't know what you want. Have a rule. A rule is that in your personal life, you must have a time that you still sleep, you must have a time that you wake up, and you must have time for everything that you are doing. And you must be very, very intentional. Me coming to online to come and trade you, like, okay, I want to teach forex by 2 p.m. I do this as I just jump randomly. You can see we have been consistent having a live session by 2 p.m. I can pick any other time, but I want people to know that, okay, by 2 p.m. they know that there will be life going on. So I have to let them live with it. So even me, I must be the first one to live with that time first before I can say I can let people understand me. So if you don't have a set of rules that you want, you have the people will not know how to relate with you. But when you have rules, they know what to do, they know what you can't do. So they will at least for people to relate with you will be very, very easy. So, but this kind of rule to keep it are very, very is very, very hard. That's one of the bitter truth that we have to understand in market. For us to keep the rule is always very hard. Reason being that we all have emotion. We are all being moved by emotion, especially when it comes to money. That's when you see some people they are not stable. When they see that some of our friends are doing this thing to make money, they forget about their own way and go to their friends' way. So when at the point when they just the first way and they are still not making money, they will still be like, oh, what is happening? They will not say, okay, that maybe it's not for them. They will still now going back to another thing. Before you can say something is not working for you, you have to put in your effort, put in your as in your everything, and you must be consistent about it. And believe that it's not once that you start a business or you start something, you start generating money with it. No matter you have to give it time for it to manifest before you start thinking of how to make money with it. You can ask everybody if you have seen someone that I've seen the last time. I was scrolling on Twitter this morning. I saw one of the throwback of Jerry Benzi. As of 2016, he has been a trader. 2016, he has been a trader working silently, consistently, doing one particular thing. Even me, I got to know Jeff in 2020. I got to know Jeff in 2020 with forex trading, and one particular they will tell you is that every Monday morning, every Monday on YouTube. Even now that he has made money, he's still not stopping it. He's still doing that live. He's still doing that live because he's the one that know the value and why reason why he put it that way. So sometimes the people say when you are making money, you know what you are doing when you are not making to make money, you keep doing it so that the money also can keep increasing. That's what as in, he already understand and he's already doing on his own. So in everything you are doing, consistency is a key. You must be very, very consistent. Even though consistency is another topic that we are going to, but today we are talking about patience. Everybody have a set of rules. Me now, I have a set of rules that I use to trade in the market. What do I want to see is a rule. When did I want to see it is a rule. And where did I want to see it is a rule. Don't forget, what did I want to see? Where did I want to see it? And where where did I want to see it and when did I want to see it? They are very, very important that you have to understand in this market before you could, as a rule, that you must set for yourself as a standard. So, as a standard, there's nothing that can break you. Like, if anything comes, no, 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 this is my standard of living. I have to obey. I just think there's nothing. For instance, let me still come back. Let me still give you something as an scenario. We have different tribe in Nigeria here. We have different tribe. No matter the tribe you come from, no matter where you relocate to, the tone of your accent, as the people will still get to know that you are from this person. The moment you talk, even some people, the moment you see them, they will know that this identity is for this tribe. Because that tribe is consistent with that identity, not that maybe today you will see them, they will be like this thing, tomorrow you see another one. No, but they know that there is a identity There's identity that, okay, no, this person is the one that we know him, we know him with this. Are you getting my point? We know you. So your identity is your rule that will set up your identity. Like, who are you? So market too want to know your rule. Like, what do you want in this market? What do you want in this market? Do you want to be a seller? Do you want to be a buyer? Do you want to be, what do you want to see before you join the trade? Are you a trend trader? Are you a reversal trader? You have to define it. You have to define it. Which trend do you want to be trading? We have trend on 1 hour, we have trend on 4 hour, we have trend on daily time frame, we have trend on weekly, we have trend on monthly, and we have trend on yearly. Even 12 years, we have trend. So which one are you? And we have trend of 15 minutes. Like 15 minutes, if you want to trade, you are a scalper, you are this thing. If I want to scalp in this market, like I said yesterday, I will not be waiting for selling this market. What I will just be waiting for is buy, and which market has been doing. But I'm seeing it out of my session, so I don't need to shake myself. Before I can be able to say I want to buy, I repeated yesterday. This is it. I must see the market come back to this level here. This is my own key level. I trade only key level in the market. I must see market come down to this key level. Once I see this at this key level, it push up. So that's when I say, okay, no problem. Let me enter my buy market. But if I did not see it here, I'm not going to enter market. Yesterday, this is what market did yesterday. If anybody can remember, this is what they did yesterday. And I take this place out that I need market to come back to this place here. To this place here, which is my key level before what? Before I buy. But market did not get there. I let it work. I let the market go. That's not the time for me to make my own money. My own time is coming. So at the same thing we are repeating here. If we want to be a scalper, this way we do it here. We wait for market to come back to this key level here before we do what? Before we look for what we are going to look for to buy. Go. That's my own rule. If I do not see at the key level here, I'm not going to enter the buy market. So I filter what out of what is not for me. That's one of the rules, and that's one of the way of becoming a profitable trader in the market. If you don't have your own rule, there's no how you can become a profitable trader. You can't depend on someone's rule when you're not using the person's signal. You can't depend on someone's rule when you're not using this person's signal. If you're using someone's signal, you are obeying the person's rule. And if you pay for a mentorship for that person, like, okay, well, boss, I want to, the person will teach you according to his own rule that he has been using to make money in the market. Definitely, you do what? You start align yourself with his own rule too. So anything out of his rule, you are doing it. Definitely, you are the one going out of what he teach you or what he mentor you for. So this place as in this rule is very, very important. But because when you don't have rule, there's no how you can say you want to apply the patience in the right way in the market. Patience is something that you apply for your rule to play out in the market. If you understand what I just say within the few minutes, please just drop your comment under the comment section that you understand. Let me know if you understand, if you are with me. Just drop under the comment section that I understand everything. Comment. I'm waiting. If you can hear me and you understand everything I've been saying, please just type I understand. And like I said, before you come to this live, don't forget to like this that as in live, and make sure you share with in your WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp status, on your WhatsApp group. Let other people that they are also a forex trader, let also come and also learn. So let's make sure, let's have more people on this live so that we at least when they are also asking questions, you will also as in you are also learning it. Okay, thank you. So patience is one of the things that we have in the market that is a key when you want to become a profitable trader. You must be very, very patient. You must be very, very patient. You must know how to. Now, what is the effect of being patient in the market and not being patient in the market? Now, like I said yesterday, there's nothing you apply in this market that you will not have in your own winning day, and that is not how you will not have your own losing day. So when you are not applying patience in the market, are you getting my point? Yes, will be a day that you will also have your own winning day. But your winning day, when you have that winning day, how many times do you want to be having that winning day? Because you just take a trade For you to know that, okay, if I keep repeating this thing, no, at least if I'm not having a every day as a winning trade, have a winning day, I will be having at least 60% or 70% day as my winning day. If you don't have one particular rule that you want to be repeating every time, so to be sincere with you, it will be very hard for you to become a consistent, profitable trader. Let me be sincere with you. You cannot be trading within a year without, even if you don't apply patience, you don't learn, you don't do this thing, you will have your own winning day. You can't be trading for 1 year and you say you don't have your own winning day. It's not possible. This is forex. I've tried everything in the market and I've tried to understand how everything works. Even if you apply everything wrongly, if you are a gambler, you don't want to acquire the knowledge, you don't want to learn everything. If you just say, okay, no problem, you cannot trade for complete 1 year and you will not win at least 2 trades within that 1 year. It's not possible. But what is saying is that when you are trading every day, you have at least 2 wins. Is that, are you a consistent trader? Are you a consistent profitable trader? No, you are not consistent. Because like I told you, I can't shoot 3 times with my rule, and I will say I will not win at least one. And if I shoot 3 times, I will be having at least shooting of 3 times in a week. In a month, that's 12. That's 3 times 4, that's 12. And if I have 12, I have 4 trades winning, I lost 8. Let's say that's the least. Are you getting my point? With my positive RRR, because I told you I do RRR of 1:3, 1:3 upward. Within that 1 month, if I won 4 trade and I lost to 8 trade, if I do all my trade as 1:3, I'm not losing money and I'm not growing my account. Which means I'm in the middle. Like I don't lose account, I don't lose money, and I don't make money. That's 1 month. But if any day, yes, in any month, I have 6 win and 6 loss in a month, definitely I will still end up the month being a profit. But that one will be possible for me to mention it, to be repeating it, because I'm repeating one rule all over and over and over and over again. And for you to have a patience to be repeating that one particular rule over and over and again, it takes a very big discipline, a very strong patience, like a very strong emotional control. That, oh no, this is what I want. If I don't see it, I don't do it. So we should know that, okay, this thing. So when you are impatient, your winning rate will be like, it's not consistent, because you don't, even you, for you to know to repeat what you are doing, you will keep repeating it in the market and you keep losing money. Because not sometimes you'll be able to apply patience, and sometimes you'll not be able to apply patience. That's how it is. When you are not patient in all your trading, sometimes you apply discipline of being patient, and sometimes you will not be able to apply patience. Not because of anything, but because of the way you already build yourself. So the day that's supposed to be your winning day, when you are impatient, you will be your losing day when you are patient. With patience. And when you want to trade with patience, the day that happens to be your winning trade, or when you are applying patience, will not be a losing day. So those kind of things, when you mix it, you'll be having a mixed result and you'll be having a mixed feelings. So the best way is to you to do what? To be a patient trader, so that you can be consistent, because you winning consistently is only way you can grow at the long time. That's the only way you can be growing your account at long time. You can start trading with $300. You take to, okay, you say, okay, $300. If you are someone like me, I break it down that, okay, I want to be risking $100 per trade. I started trading $100 per trade. I took 2 trades. I lost one, I make one. So the first one I lost is $200, and the only one I win, which is 103, is $300. My account grew from $300 to 400, because the $100 I risked on the last one is still in my account. So that $300 I win plus $100, that's $400. So definitely on that week I made $100 profit. That's how you grow your account. If I repeat it next week and I have 2 trades win, so definitely I will be having $600 and I lost $100, which means I make $500. $500 plus 400, that's $900. That's how you strategically grew your account. Don't join the people that say I flip on $300 to $3 million in a day. It's not possible. Like, they are gamblers. It's not even possible in this market. Or if you want to be growing account, you want to try several times before you have one. Am I communicating? So this is how we strategically grow account in the market. Be consistent about your rule. Make sure you take your pen, write your rule down. What do you want to see in this market? For me now, what I want to see in this market, there's one particular mixing on this analysis, which I'm expecting this movement to come and do before you come back to give him trade. I'm waiting for two things now from my rule on this market for scalping. But if it's a swing trade, I'm not even having any trade for today at all, at all. No trade for me. And since morning, I've not been checking my chart to be sincere with you because I want to just take a scalp trade in New York session. In New York session. So I will implore you to just make sure you are what? You join the people of patience trader. There's no money you want to make in the market that if you are rushing, that you know as in you now make it by rushing. No. And now there's one thing I want to say. So please, if you are just joining me my live for the first time, to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come live like this or I upload a video content, you get notified. I always upload a video content that is always going to help you improve your trading, either psychologically or risk management or strategic as in how to build a strategy. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a video, you get notified and you come and learn. And there is a pin message under the comment section. Please and please click on the link. It will direct you to the broker I've been using to trade. You see, it's the broker platform I show you on my laptop here. You can see that is funded. I have a lot of fund in the account. So just register for an account. It's very easy. Just input your name, your surname, first name, and if you have other name, put it there. And after that, you put your email. After that, you put your date of birth. Is all. So when you want to verify with your NIN slip or NIN plastic. If that's what you have on your phone, you can upload it directly from your phone. You don't need to be with the physical one before you verify your account. And if it's an international passport that you have, either international passport or driving license, they accept any one of them. Once it's government ID, you can use it to verify an account. And make sure you deposit to your account any amount so that they can give you 50% welcome bonus on your first time deposit, so that they can give you more, as in that will give you more chance to have enough to have more fund in your account. For instance, if you are depositing $100 and they give you 50%, which is $50, definitely you'll be having $150 on your account. Definitely for you to have, if you plan to release $30 on your trade before, definitely you'll be planning to release $50 on your trade. And you know that when you release $50, the higher the profit you'll be targeted to. So don't forget. And if you have someone that have registered for an account, through this link, please send me the screenshot of your account on my WhatsApp. There's something I want to claim for you from the broker. So it's something that's going to improve your trading, like your account too. So there's something I want to claim for you. So make sure you click on the link and register for an account. Once you are done with registration, if you are joining me from my Telegram page or from my WhatsApp page, so send your screenshot to either to the Telegram or to the WhatsApp page. So we are going to I will message them with your mail, and they have a Christmas bonus they want to give as a giveaway this time, so that you just log into your account and see the giveaway. So that's all for now. And please, if you are joining me for the first time, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload the video content, you'll be part of first people to get notified about it. So let's go back to what we are taking us for today. As I was saying, our topic for today is patience, how to apply patience in the market. Patience is a key when you want to become a profitable trader. And like I always say, I always relate my teaching in forex trading to real life. Even in real life, you're not a patient person. For you to have it, for you to be a winner will be very, very hard. So we should know that patience is one of the key skills or key quality that we must possess before we can think of anything in this life. In trading too, that's how it applies, applicable. So now the next one I will be discussing about is that what is different between being patient and being having fear. Because a lot of people, they will be applying patience in the market, but when they have set up, when they have a trade to take, they will be like, it's not this thing. They will be doubting themselves. It's a fear. There is difference between being patient and being feared. Now, let me differentiate it for us today so that we can understand. Being patient is when you are waiting for your own rule, for your own strategy, for your own concept to do what? To play out For instance, now, as we have on this chart here that you're looking at, I'm waiting for market. Let me tell you what I'm waiting for the market to do. I'm waiting for market to come here, take out this place here, because this place here, there are liquidity resting here. So I expect the market to take out this liquidity here. And I will be expect market to do what? And I will expect market to still come up a little bit. Sorry, I will expect market to come up like this, and I will expect the market. So now the second criteria whereby we make an entry is when market now come back to this level here. Where we make an entry is when market come back, sorry, level here. When market come back to this level here, we were now looking for my entry criteria like entry confirmation. So once we start the entry confirmation there, boom, we enter buy and we start targeting our target place. So this is how, as in my own rule is being. So these two things, one, two, if I don't have them, I don't trade. Had be this one, I've done this one, it's only this one I will be waiting for. But this one did not do this one. It did not do it. So that's when I'm waiting for it, the market to come and do it. And my rule is that if I don't have it, I don't trade. That's my own rule. Everybody that know me, they know me. That's why sometimes in my Telegram channel, I don't usually have signal because I'm a very, very disciplined trader. If my rule did not play out, all these things here now that I'm seeing here, I'm seeing them as a liquidity that market need to come and take out. For people who understand the way I trade, I'm seeing this place as a liquidity whereby I'm expecting the market to come and take it out. Trend line liquidity, this is it here. For people who trade trend line liquidity, this is it here. So being patient is when you are waiting. You waited for your setup, your own personal trading rule that you do by yourself to play out. And you know, the moment you play out, you see your entry confirmation, you take your trade. Now, being fair is that you've even seen all your rule play out. You've seen your entry criteria and everything being played out. For you to not enter the market, you're not being like, what if the market goes your way? It doesn't concern you. Like I said, what market will do doesn't concern you. There is no trader in the whole world that is not losing money. I'm still repeating myself again. There is no trader in the whole world that is not having a losing trade. But where they build themselves is that they maximize their profit and minimize their loss. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as what? It's as simple as that. There is no trader that is not having a losing trade. Let's build that one on our head. This is not a place. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Whereby they will tell you that you put $100 to get $1,000. No, you have to work for your money in this place. You are not putting your money and your money work for you. Or if you want to employ trader or you want to give your account to someone to manage, that's when this kind of thing can happen. But as it stands at the, you have to be a disciplined trader. Now, discipline means that the patience you are applying in the market is that for your trading rule to complete. Like I told you, I explained now, what I'm expecting here is what we are waiting for. But being fair is that thing still now play out. We saw every rule be complete. You have a checkbox. Okay, have you did I see the sweep of liquidity? Yes. Did I see the market go up and come back to my level to come and retest? Yes. Did I engulfing candle? Yes. And I see all those ones, see yes. I'm still now afraid of taking that trade. That's when fear comes in. That's when what? Fear comes in. Everybody at a point have a fear in them because we are all Nigerians and we know that to work for money is not easy in Nigeria. I always want to deceive ourselves. That's why I always say it's better you take a money management as a course before you say you want to even become a profitable trader. I will be taking that course very often now. Like how to manage your fund. Even if you are a forex trader or you want to go into business, it will really, really help you to do whatever you want to do and be a successful trader or be a successful businessman. Because if you don't know how to manage money, you just be like as if you are doing money, you are working, you are making money, but you still don't know where the money is going to. So that's when every successful trader, there happens to be someone who knows how to manage fund. We know that. Because when you are managing money management, it's almost aligned with risk management in the market. And if you have a strategy, your psychology is strong. But if you lack risk management in the market, you will end up not being a profitable trader because risk management is what grew your account for you. You cannot say you have all the other dollar on world trade. Why? Or else, if if you already plan it and you're expecting another money that is coming from one angle, that when you want to take trade, you have another coming from somewhere, you will still fund it again, unless that one. But if you are not like, you are also okay, no problem, say you want to manage this $100 account for 1 month, but immediately you have a trade, you risk all the other dollar on one trade. So which capital do you want to be using to trade for the remaining the rest of the days in that month? It's very simple. But when your risk management is very strong, you find a way of building yourself to fit your emotion when it comes to risk management. Like I told you, the way I do my own risk management is by dividing my account size into three. It's because my strategy has been so strong. I've already backtested my strategy. I know how. I was so 100% confident on it. So if I shoot 3 times, I will win once. As in, is my confidence in my strategy. So I will now to break down my risk management to that. I cannot say because of that I should not push all the $100 on one trade. What if that trade now go against? I blow it. So even the next two trade now that happens to be like for me to risk, if I'm going to have a winning trade, I will not have anything to risk on it. So we should know that those things are very, very important. So being fair is that you all your certain rule that you are waiting for in the market play out, but you still what? You still have fear of taking that trade. That's where the real fear comes in. Being patient is you waiting for your rule to play out. And you do what? When everything play out, you see everything being checked out, you take your trade. And sometimes when you are not patient enough, there's something we call fear of missing trade. It will grow up in you. That's why if you are a patient trader, you wait for your certain route to be complete. You have already conquered the fear of missing trade, because that fear of missing trade you will not even this thing. You will not be afraid, as in you will not be angry that you are missing trade for you to have mere fear of missing trade in the next setup. No. So you have to be very, very patient. When you are patient, that's when you can be able to master your discipline, master your rule, and make that thing be your lifestyle. I could remember there was a family in I saw, for me to also explain deeper, there was a family in I saw, what was it called? The wife always complained that you don't even understand what the husband wants. Are you getting my point? And I was like, okay, have you sat your husband down and asked? It's every time you have asked. And he was also okay, instead of obeying that rule, by next week, you will say, no, 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 I don't want that. I don't want this thing again. I don't want that. And you particularly you are the one. So if you don't know what you want, you will not even know how to guide people about what you want. And that's what some people they say, some people are chameleon. You don't even go know how to relate with them, especially when it comes like okay, so we always use that. And women we always use that language with women that we only gonna know what women want. They are not what they don't even know what they want. These that's if you are not a disciplined trader, you're like a woman in the market. If you are not a patience trader, I will to for your rule to play out. Definitely you're like a woman that you don't know what you also want. But if you know what you want, you have to apply patience. Like okay, let my rule play out. When it play out, you take your action. You take your action. So I believe we all understand the difference between fear and being patient in the market. If you understand, just type I understand under the comment section, please. If you understand what I explained now, just type I understand under the comment section. I'm waiting before we proceed. There's still some things we want to discuss about. I'm waiting. If you understand, just type I understand under the comment section. I'm waiting. If you understand all to what I explained about the fear, about being patient in the market, so just type I understand under the comment section. In the process of you doing that, don't forget to go to the comment section, click on the link under the comment section to register for an account with a broker that I've been using for a very long time. This broker, the register with them is very easy. Just put your name, your email address, and your date of birth. So from there, you proceed to verification page. The verification is very fast. Within 3 to 5 minutes, they will verify your account for you. What ID card did they accept? They accept NIN slip, NIN plastic, international passport, driving license, any one of them. Even if you have the picture saved on your phone or as a PDF, just upload it. They will they will still verify you immediately. And if you want to print your utility bill, I believe all of us here we have a OP account. Just go to your OP, print your statement of account. When you are printing your statement of account, don't forget that there will be a place they will display like, do you want address to be on the statement? You check box that like yes, that you let address be there. So upload it on their page. They will verify it immediately. So they accept OPay bank statement for address verification. So and make sure you fund your account so that you can qualify for their festive season. You know we are in the festive period and a lot of broker, a lot of profit, a lot of organization they are running promo and they are celebrating their season with their customer, with their client. So make sure you register and you fund your account with Atlas with any amount. They will give you 50% welcome bonus on your first time deposit. And once you are done with registration, please and please don't forget to send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp page or on the inside the Telegram so that I can be able to send it to you that okay, these people registered through my link. They will give you your Christmas bonus. They promise Christmas bonus. So they will just credit you with your Christmas bonus. So that's all for now. If you have done that, please and please don't forget to take a screenshot. And if this is your first time joining me on my live session, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we have a video, as in I upload a video or I come live like this, I don't need to be sharing the link with you or you don't need to be looking for my link before you get notified. They will notify you on your phone. WhatsApp have that feature. They will notify you on your phone. You just join me. You'll be the part of first time, the first set of people to join me so that we can continue on time and we start giving ourselves value that will make us money. Now, I want to ask a question before we proceed for the last phase of this session. What do you want in 2026? Let me know. How much do you want to make? Let me just rephrase my question. How much do you want to make in 2026? I want to see it under the comment section. How much do you want to make in 2026? Let me know how are my people have as in let me know your dream. Let me know if you are a big dreamer or you are someone that is afraid of having big dream. How much do you dream of making in 2026? Because this 2025, as we know, today is 23 already, is about to end. So, but as 2020, as in 2026, what much do you plan to make in 2026? What is your goal? Or let me say, what is your goal in 2026? I'm waiting under the comment section. Please drop it. Let me see. I want to see everybody's goal. I want to see how much do you plan to make in 2026 so that we can know how to take each other along. We can know how to drag each other. We must achieve. Everybody, like I said in my Telegram channel, this 2026, I'm going to make a lot of people make money. I'm going to make a lot of people make money. If you don't want to make money, when you see people making money, you'll be tempted to also make money. We must make 26. A lot of people have dreamed a lot big things in this 2024. So 2025 must be our own year. So drop it under the comment section. I want to know what is your goal for 2026? What is your goal in 2026 so that we can know how to come in to help each other? What is your goal in 2026? Drop it under the comment section. I want to know everybody's goal in 2026. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What is our goal in 2026? What is your goal in 2026? Drop it under the comment section. I'm waiting. Or how much do you want to make in trading in 2026? Just label it. There's no amount of money that you made that you'll not be able to achieve. We achieve it by next year. You achieve it, or else we are not active in my Telegram. You know my channels, whether on Twitter page or my Telegram page. I'm very, very active in those two pages or my WhatsApp page. So in those three pages, I'm very, very active. Or else we are not active in any one of them. That's when you don't make money with me next year. Everybody is making money. Everybody is making money. Making money is our goal. So I'm helping a lot of people to make money next year. So let me know how much do you want to make in 2026. Drop it under the comment section. I'm waiting. I'm watching people's comments. I'm watching people's comments. I'm waiting. How much do we want? Okay, let's proceed for the last phase of today's topic. At least we have treated what is patience and how you tend to gain when you don't have the effect of having patience in the market. Let me know how much you want to make in 2026. Write it down. Let me see how much you want to make in 2026. I'm still waiting for it under the comment section. So as you are joining us, make sure you drop your own under the comment section. How much do you want to make in 2026? Write it under the comment section. And this is your first time joining me, joining my live, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn your notification bell so that anytime I come live like this, you will get notified that okay, Bright Live is already on the live, so you can join me and let's share the our let's share follow again. And there is a pin message under the comment section. Make sure you click on the link, register for an account, and make sure you make a deposit of any amount that you can afford. Just make sure you do as in you deposit, and they will give you 50% welcome bonus on your first time deposit. And once you are successfully ready, making your registration, send me the screenshot either on on the Telegram page or on my WhatsApp to my WhatsApp number. Make sure you send me the screenshot. Make sure you send me the screenshot of your complete registration. So as I was talking, we've already talked about patience. We've already talked about you can see the market has been taking out those liquidity. Then I assume that we are not a patient trader. We enter the market after this engulfing. You can see this how the market will take us out, and we start blaming ourselves that why don't we wait for our own route to play out before we do what? Before we take trade. So let's still hold on. We are still waiting. Like you said, like I told you, our rule is very simple, but we have to wait for the rule to play out before we can do any other thing in this market. So we are not just jumping. See now, all the liquidity here now has been taken out. Every stop loss, everybody that has entered buy here, and don't be surprised that people have entered a lot. As in, a lot of people have entered buy market here. So everybody that has entered buy here, their money has been taken out now. Their money has been taken out. So there are people that maybe they are trading with their rule, they will not regret it. But people that are not trading with the rule, they will be regretting that, oh, so why did I even trade without me? So that regret is not something that is very, very good for every trader in the market. It's not something good. Like I said, we are scrapping and I'm waiting for you to even take out this place too. And the momentum of this is like we want to take out this place, but let's still wait. Like I said, this is what we are waiting for in the market. This is what we are waiting for. Market, take that place out. Market data plays out. It market come up like this. From this place here, it come up. And the second leg is that okay, we will see the market come down to this level back, come back to this level back. When you get to this level, we wait for our engulfing candle and for us to see maybe we are going to enter our buy up from here. Are you getting my point? So this is how we want it. This is what I want as the market to do. So if I don't see it, so we wait till next trade. Part of the reason, the major reason why we are having this live is for us to know that practicing what's it called is also very important in trading. Being a disciplined trader is part of this and it's very important in trading. So as I was saying, can you all hear me? If you can hear me, please type I can hear you in the comment section. If you are hearing me, just type I can hear you in the comment section. If you are hearing me, just type I can hear you in the comment section. I want to know. Are you with me? Are you following me? If you can hear me, just type I can hear you under the comment section. Okay, thank you. Any more answer, who can hear me? If you can hear me, just type I can hear you under the comment section. your goal is very fine, it's very well defined. That's very, very good. So make sure you put yourself as in position yourself in making that kind of amount and plan yourself how you want to achieve that. Plan yourself out. So you get my point. So that's the most important thing. Plan yourself out. Plan yourself out. So more answer. I need more answer from this page. Who are you? As in, if you can hear me, I want to see your. Just tell me your goal for 2026, and let me know what you want to do in 2026. So as I was saying, we've talked about patience. We talk about the effect of being patient and being impatient, being patient and being impatient in the market, and we've already talked about the difference between being patient and fear in the market. So, as a what's it called? As a patience trader, what do you tend to gain? What do you tend to gain in the market? As a patience trader, what do you tend to gain? Now, I'll be dropping that question to back to everybody. As a patience person in real life, because even an analogy says, if you are a patient person, you have a great value in the whole world. So, as that great person that you are, so what do you think is going to bring out for, as in what is bringing out for you? What is bringing out in your lifestyle? What is bringing out? What is bringing out? If you are a patient person, for you have something we call stability in your life. Decision you'll be making will be bound to a very, very solid reason and solid rule. Are you getting my point? Every decision you'll be making in your personal, as a personal, as in the personal lifestyle, your personal life, a patient person, they don't just talk anyhow, they don't just react anyhow, they don't just take action anyhow. They happen to be people who are what? They take action, they talk with a very valid reason. They talk with a very valid reason. And that's how we have it in the market too. What do you tend to gain when you're a patient person? You tend to be doing everything with a solid reason, with a very, very solid reason. That when they explain why do you do this thing, you'll be able to explain the reason why you do it. Not that because of your emotion, like last time I see the market do it and I'm thinking maybe I should try it out. Without no, that's not a solid reason. That's not a solid reason because this market we have can do anything, but that doesn't mean that what is repeating is something that the market need to be repeating every time, and that is your own trading rule. So you have to understand that very just simple thing. Your number one thing is that your life will be very very stable. You will be as in very very stable, and then secondly is that you will tend to be grow. Your growth will be very very high because you are not part of people who just take decision anyhow. When people already have stability in your life, like there is stability in your life, this as in for them to measure your growth will be very easy. They will be able to know that maybe you are growing due to the decision you are making, and and when you are taking decision with a very valid reason, are you getting my point? Your level of growth will be very high. Unlike people that are using their emotion to take trade, which is not stability, they are not stable. Make a decision about with your emotion, you are not stable because what you feel tomorrow is different from what you are feeling today is different from what you are going to feel tomorrow. What you are feeling today is different from what you feel yesterday. Because the life doesn't go on a straight line. The life doesn't go on a straight line. The life brings different occurrence, different things to your way. And if you are now reacting to them as they are coming your way, so even if there won't be any stability in your life, and for you to make a very decision for you to be able to measure your growth will not be will be very, very hard. Know what you want. Even as world is laying, everything is turning, everybody, some people still know what they want, and that's when they are achieving a lot of things. They know what they want. Like someone that mentioned that I want to make $10,000. Now, $10,000 might be a lot of money and might not be a lot of money, but you already have the figure of how much you want to make. For you to get to that figure is what we focus on, will be your focus. But for some people, we say a lot of money is not a goal. It's not a significant goal. It's not a significant growth. You have to make your growth be significant because a lot of money can be $20,000, can be $100,000, can be anything, can be anything. Everybody wants a lot of money, but you have to build yourself strategically. Like how okay, next year, calculate yourself. What is your movement? How do you want to grow your this thing? How do you want to make it? It's as simple as that. Me now, I've already planned how many trades I want to take next year. I've already planned it. The peer I want to be trading, I've already planned it out. And how much do I was in how to strategically build my account. I've already planned it out. It doesn't mean that I will not have a failure, but at least I will already know how to get to that place. If I don't get to that number, but I still know that I should be very close when I already plan myself out. But there will be a significant growth on it. Like, okay, this is how much I want to start using to trade account for this as in for next year. And this is how I want to grow it. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. When you are a patient person, you tend to gain a lot of things as stability. Growth will be very, very easy for you. Growth will be very, very easy for you. And when you are growing, your account is also growing. Your decision making is growing. Your personal lifestyle is growing. You can't have $10,000 in your account now. You know, and for you to buy something of $5,000 will be very hard for you. No, it won't. There are a lot of things that we tend to achieve when we are patient. That's when the analogy says that someone that's very patient and before they make decision or before they talk, they tend to gain more things in life. They tend to gain more things. They are always on the gaining side. Be patient. No way the pace we are rushing to. If you are there's one other thing I always tell my students too. Don't chase something, attract it. Now, this $10,000 you want to make, don't chase. You say good that you are chasing, fine, but attract like how do you want to you have to just your own is to focus on your own how do you want to make it. You will know that you want to be taking trade. Okay, how many trade do you need to take? You go for before you measure yourself, maybe you achieve this thing or not. It will be December time, but you have January, February, March, April, May, June, July to work towards that. Your own is to focus on how do you want to achieve it, not like you already set up your goal. Fine. Now break it down at how do you want to achieve it. Is a one question that you need to have. How do you want to achieve it? Is by repeating the same decision you are repeating over and over and over and over and over and again and again. That's when you grow account. You start from celebrating $20 profit to celebrating $50 profit to celebrating $100 to upward like that. You get to level. Someone that celebrated $10,000 for how to celebrate for him or her to celebrate $100,000, $1 million will be very easy. Because if you can achieve this $10,000, for you to achieve those numbers too, it's not going to be hard for you. It's not going to be hard for you. So forex trading is not about chart alone. Like what I'm trying to tell you, it's not about chart alone. It's about how we also behave, how we also act towards some things in the decision you make in the chart. All those things they contribute to what is we need in the market. That's when I say forex is even beyond a chart. Chart play just small role. Like you just acquire the knowledge how the market is moving. That's it. But where the key role are coming in is from your how you think, your mindset. Your mindset that no, I don't want to be taking random something. I want to be fixed. I want to be like trading like a robot. If I don't see this thing, I'm not taking that trade. Fine. If I'm not seeing it, you are just robotic. And you've already put your risk management. Okay, how much do you want to use? You know you can achieve this $10 starting with $100. By just starting with $100. But before you put that, you must be able to understand your strategy. Like, okay, if this is your strategy, how many times, what is the RRR? How many times do you need to take a risk before you have this kind of number? You have to take them. You have to measure them. And like I always encourage, don't go for a strategy that is giving you less than 1:3 on a trade. Please, it's not even advisable. Because I always say from 3 trades, you have a probability of losing 2. But the third one you are winning, you already lost 1, 2 trade. That third trade will recover your account for you and will still give you profit. That's it. So because if you are someone who is doing 1:2, 1:1, you have to put in a strategy that will be giving you a high winning rate, which is not always being guaranteed in the market. That's the rule. That's the rule because we are fighting against big men in the market. We have to understand that. Your fight in this market is fight against big men. Fight against big men. Because don't say we are not the only one trading, no. Like I told you, all those institutions, they are also trading. What was it called? Insurance company, pension company, banks, all those central banks, they are the one that we are fighting against. And how much do you have compared to their own money? You have to know. So that's when you have to be strategic. You have to be robotic when you are trading against them. because they might have big money to manipulate market. You don't have big money to manipulate market. You can see now. So gold is actually dropping, and with this setup, with this thing that just doing now, I won't lie to you. Let's see if the rejection is going to be very sharp. If the rejection is going to be very sharp, so at this thing now, I think the gold want to start the proper to do. But still, we are not making the decision drop alone. The same thing I was waiting for a year. If we are see that this place here is a successful break of structure in this market, as in the same thing I will still be expecting here. But now I will just say this place as somewhere whereby the market have done what I want, just come back to that level there and I buy down. It's as simple as that. But currently it's now until this candle close and we see the next movement to retest this place before moving up. As you can see what the market is doing there. So that's why it's very good when you have a rule, obey the rule. Simple. Your own is to focus on obeying your own personal rule in the market, not trading against with emotion. Are you getting my point? So let's wait. We are still waiting. So we are still waiting. We are still going to see what the market is going to do for us. So we are still waiting. So if you are on this live session with me, just type I'm with you here. I'm waiting. Okay, thank you. You are still with me. Okay, all right, no problem. So let's see. That's what I said. It's very good to be disciplined. We might later have a set trade on this market because the market has changed direction. But before we stay out here, we switch to the set trade. We have as a same bias. Now, 15 minutes has already given us something like this is a break of structure. And we have broken this structure and we want this candle close. So we'll be expecting the same rule again. If you don't have the market, come back to this place here. I'm not taking my trade. If I don't see this market, come as it because this one is only one that confirmed to me that the market is doing what is about to start the retracement movement. We are on a bullish trend as in very trend before, and for market to change to say as in bearish, we have to have a very strong confirmation, a very strong reason by yourself. So obeying the rule be a priority. I'm the one that will be as in create that rule myself. It's not the market. I'm the one that's okay. This is how I want to be making. I want to be taking my own money in the market. So obeying it should not be a but this candle is will be closing. It still has 7 minutes to go. So don't forget, we are still on our. I'm just doing this thing. We are still on our this thing here. But when this candle close and we see the way it close, see maybe our buy setup is not valid anymore, or is our as in we are still very valid on it. So let's see what we are going to do. We are getting from it. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. Like I said, patience is one of the key in trading. So you have to master. You have to let down. You have to master the as in patience. You have to master it. You have to master it. So market doesn't go in one direction for you to say, okay, one direction that is going is where I will be also going with it. So let's just hold on. We are still on the live. We are still here. We are still here. So don't forget, if you are joining me for the first time, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, I come live like this, you get notified and to be looking for my link to join me. They will notify you or you can join and can start your as a session with me. And don't forget, I have a pinned message under the comment section. Go there, you will see a link I pinned. Click on the link and register an account. That's the broker I'm using. So a lot of people don't know the effect of brokers and having a very good broker when you are trading in a market as in forex trading. So we are not talking about that today. That will be another as a topic for next time as in for another day. But click on the link. I'm recommending this broker. This broker I've been using for some time. So I'm recommending this broker. Make sure you click on the link, register for an account, and make sure you what's it called? Make sure you verify your account. They accept NIN slip, they accept NIN plastic, and you can use driving license or your international passport if you have. So just make sure you verify your account and make sure you deposit any amount. They give 50% welcome bonus on first time deposit. So when you deposit, they give you 50% welcome bonus, and when they give you welcome bonus, you tend to do what? To gain more, as in to have more fun in your account to risk. So just do that. And if you have registered for an account with them, like I said, make sure you send me a screenshot so that I can send it to them for your Christmas giveaway they are giving every traders. So make sure you send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. Let me see with your Gmail, so I can send it to them, and they will credit your account with their own giveaway. So they give giveaway to every traders in this is a festive period. They are celebrating Christmas with their clients. So we are still waiting. Let's see. You can see as market is rejecting that place. It's like it's doing our buy setup, but we are still waiting. Like I said, he has done the first criteria for me. So the second one is what I'm waiting for now. And what is the second one? I will be waiting for this market to push up to this level, retest this place back before we buy. So we are still waiting. We are still waiting. Don't forget, I'm still waiting for your goal for 2026. If you have not done that, make sure you drop it under the comment section. Make sure you drop it under the comment section if you have not done that. Your goal for 2026. I'm still waiting for it. What is your goal? How much do you plan to make for true forex trading in 2026? I want to know. Let me know that the comment section. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let's wait for gold. Gold can be very manipulative and can be very trick. But with our trading rule, we can be at the safer side. We are at the safer side with our trading rule. We are at the safer side. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. If you have gained value during this live session, if you know you have achieved something as in you gain a value, just type value under the comment section. Let me see. If you are someone who have gained something under the as in within this live, let me know that the comment section. Just type value. Just type value under the comment section. Let me see. Oh, we are still waiting for setup. We are still waiting. It just open. It opened by 2 p.m. So this time is when their bank is operating very well. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So just wait. Let's have a trade. Let's have a trade. Let's have a trade so that we can see how we match practice our discipline, how we practice our patience in the market. Because like I say, it's very, very important. It's very, very important. If you want to become a profitable trader, you have to be very patient with the market, and you have to be very patient with yourself. Don't be serious. Don't be too serious. Don't be too serious. You have to be patient with yourself. You have to be patient with the market. So let's move on. Let's move on. We are still waiting here. We still have about 40 minutes to go. I say about 40 minutes to go. So within that 40 minutes, we should be able to use it to do something. This candle that just opened will be closing in the next 15 minutes. So let's see what we're going to do. So we have to wait for the next 15-minute candle to close. Let's for us to make a decision in this life. And if we don't have a setup in this life, my eyes are still on the chart. So after the live, I can still send a signal to the Telegram channel. So make sure you are active on the Telegram channel. And like I say, please don't forget, share the link of the Telegram channel. Let's have more people to carry us along, as in to carry along in 2026. Share the group, share the link. For now, everything is still for free. The signal, the mentorship, the value, and the content, as in the everything is still for free. And like I said, the mentorship program is suspended for now. I will communicate in the group when we are going to have the next phase of mentorship class. But for now, everything is still very going as it's still going for free. So make sure you share the link. Let's see, let's have more traders between us. Let's make as in the room more engaged so that it won't be among us to be making money. It's not going to be sweet when it's only you that's making money. If you only me want to be making money, I don't need to create the group or create anything. So if only me want to be making the money. So let us also share the opportunity. It's not about you using the opportunity alone. Let's share the opportunity. Share the group, the Telegram link. Let's have more subscribers. Let's make more people call me. The more people call me, the more as in, you tend to be motivated. You tend to be pushed to give more. When you have a lot of people that you know that they are looking up to you, you can't give up. You can't give up, and you can't have, like, at least you'll be pushed to give more, 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 more. The link in the Telegram channel has been shared. Make sure you copy it and share your WhatsApp, your Facebook, every other pages. Share them along. Share them there. Let people also come and join us. So we are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. Let's see what we want to do. We have more 15 minutes candle to close for us to make the decision in the live session. So the next one will be closing by 3:30. The last one will be closing by 3:45. So at least from there, we should be able to know our direction. So let's just wait. We that have started from 2 o'clock. Let's just wait. Let's just see what is going to happen. Don't forget, like I said, if you are still hearing me or you are just joining us or you have network issue before, there is a pin message under the comment link. Register for an account. Even if you don't have, if you are not funding it now, register for an account. Make sure you verify it and send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. Let me send it to them to give you your Christmas giveaway. So make sure you go to the comment section, click on the link. Okay, thank you. So click on the link, register for an account. There is a broker that I'm using. The account I share with you is account, as you can see, it's 24 market. You can see how much that I have inside my account there, and it's live account. So for you to know that they are very, as in, I trust them, as in they are very trusted and they are very reliable. So you can trust them with your phone. They are regulated. They are not running away to anywhere with your money. They are regulated. Okay, no problem. You have done your registration and you're verified. Just send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp page. Just send me the screenshot on your WhatsApp page, on my WhatsApp. Send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. Let me see. So I can also send it to the management, to them, for your Christmas giveaway. So they promise to give giveaway to every new account in this festive period. So I'm waiting. Let's just wait patiently. There's no amount of patience that is enough for market to. I won't lie to you. I joined a live this morning. Someone was giving a testimony that could not believe that he have a patient for a setup for more than 1 month. And I told him the USJPY trade we took setup for over 1 month. Okay, he said 1 week. And I told him the USDJPY trade I took that happens to give me like almost just maybe 220 people or something like that. I sent the signal in the channel. Everybody bought as in take that trade. I waited for that USDJPY setup for more than a month. More than a month. So within, if I'm trading only USDJPY within a month, I don't have any trade. And now I still don't have any trade. Let me just check the what's it called, USDJPY. Let's check USDJPY. Let's see what it's doing. But it has not gotten to my to my area of interest. That's why I've not been able to do anything. Let me check for USDJPY. Got into my own point of interest. It has not got into my own point of interest. He has not got it to my own pot of interest. My heart is still on it. That buy that we took, I waited for that setup for one that more month. All the sell that the market was doing, I did not join the trend of that sell. I waited for that buy. I waited for that buy. And the moment I waited for that buy, I was like, okay, no problem. So when they gave me my setup, when they gave me my entry rule, I said, okay, yeah, this is my best time for me to strike. I strike. I sent the signal to the Telegram channel. Everybody, people take the trade and make the money. So that's when I said next year we're going to make a lot of money because my setup is going to be on good. We are going to be using it for scalping trade. We are going to be using it for scalping. But USGPY for swing trade, so we can wait for months without having a setup on USGPY because the PIP is not really that high as what's it called as good. The trade we went was 200 or something, 200 something PIP was 200 something PIP, and we hold that trade for like 3 to 4 days before you hit TP. You can see that's why patience is one of the key. I saw someone that messaged me that he assisted the trade at $7 when the market got to like maybe 70 PIP. He assisted the trade. I said, okay, no problem. You've already taken out what you can take from from the market, but next time make sure you hold the trade. Either you'll be following up with break even. As they want to that $7, break it up to the as they break it to the break even. Because when you are doing that every day, you'll be making you to lose a lot of money. The money we risk up to that guy risk up to $5 on that trade. So at least we even do one ratio three to wait for like when the trade reach $15. The $15 will have make sense than the $7. So that's it. But at least what is important is that we make money. So next year I'm going to include a lot of peer. So for the case of people that are still on this live, people know that I only take shares and go trade. But next year, what's it called? Is that sorry, I just saw your comment about MT5. I don't have MT5 on my laptop because I don't use my laptop to take trade on MT5. Are you getting my point? But what is the network issue you're having? You can use your trading view. What happened to your trading view? If you are not using this platform for now, if you are not using it on laptop, what happened to your trading view? Let me know. You can use your trading view to analyze on your phone. You don't know how to use trading view? Let me know. I'm waiting for your response. I don't have MT5 on my laptop here. I don't use MT5 on my laptop here to take trade. So I can't share my screen on. And if you want to share, I using MT5 on laptop because the laptop view is different from the mobile view. I don't know, maybe you understand my point. So let me know the one you are using. Is it mobile view or laptop view? And I don't know if you as in why you are not using trading view for your analysis. Why MT5? Okay. Wait, sorry, no. Yeah, I just saw your question. Do a short explanation on using M15 minute for analysis. I was having a network. Okay. And this platform, this place I'm standing is 15 minutes time frame. Sorry, I just saw your message very well. I think it's MT. This what was it called? This platform, if you can see, is 15 minutes time frame. And that's when I told you that now what is happening here is that this inner structure here that we are waiting for the market to clear the liquidity and return back inside for us to have a trade. It's like the market want to break this structure here. Like, when the market is changing character, change of character. So it's like gold want to do change of character at this particular point because once we have successful break out of this place, I see it as a break of character. So what we'll be expecting is that we'll be waiting for a short set as a short set back to the 1 hour pullback. Are you getting my point? So I'm currently on 15-minute time because I'm scalping on this as on gold with this on this live session. And now if you don't have this buy setup for us to scalp, definitely the market is coming back to do what? It's changing the character to sell. And once it's changing the character to sell, we change our bias. The bias now is for us to be looking for this place successfully, like this thing. If this candle break close like this is a successful break of structure. We know how to calculate a successful break of structure. Once this 15-minute candle that is currently running break like this, our bias is no longer a sell as a buy bias. We change to what sell bias, but it might not be on this live session. So I'll be sending a signal when because I will have expect the up before continue the trend of sell. So that's what I'm trying to say. This time frame is currently 15 minutes. This time frame I'm using to analyze is 15 minutes. Do you understand? Let me know if you understand under the comment section. I hope you understand me. If you understand me, the charge is on 15 minutes. And like I said, we are waiting for buy market before. But as market has done something like taking out this place, we will have successful break of structure on this place, on this now zone here, on this structure. At least you know break of structure very well. If we have successful break of structure, definitely market have done change of character, like we want to do a pullback to level here. I get my point. So definitely I will be expecting the market to come back up again. So but now we are changing our bias from buying to sell. But before we say, we cannot just say because it's already breaking, we now enter sell. We expect a pullback. We expect good to come back to this place here before we do what? Before we enter a sell market. That's what I'm trying to say. But currently, because we are seeing now that this one is which is closing in the next 3 minutes, the market has already told us that he has done break of structure as a change of character because he has broken this structure here. Are you getting my point? So I'm still analyzing on 15-minute time frame. You can see. Do you understand? Okay, thank you. So we have what's it called? More as in 70 more minutes to go to for us to decide. So the market has already do break of structure. All right, thank you. The market has already done break of structure for us. So definitely our buy setup is no longer valid. But the same rule we use to be waiting for the what's it called? The same rule that we used to be waiting for sell is this the same as for buy, still the same rule that we'll be using to wait for buy and sell. But now what this one have done is that it has cleared the liquidity here. So we are just waiting for market to do a pullback to this level here and we set down. It's as simple as that. Are you getting my point? So let's just wait and see. The candle closes are still not closed. It's still running. It's closing in the next 2 minutes. Let's wait and see. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. You can see this now is a successful break of structure. It has broken this structure here. So we have changed our bias. We are no longer waiting for buy. But what are we still waiting for? The same rule that I told you that I'm waiting for. Now this one has cleared the liquidity. So now I'll be waiting for this market to pull back every year and we set down. That's just it. It's as simple. The same rule we are repeating almost every time in the market. I don't have this big of structure before. That's when I don't use this little of liquidity to do what? For us to sell. But with this one here, which is a break of structure, now we can now do say this one is a parallel as a sweep of liquidity, and we expect the market to pull back to this level here and we sell down. It's as simple as that. So let's really wait for this candle that will be closing in the as in by 40 as in the next 15 minutes again. Let's wait for this 15-minute candle to And like I told you, don't forget the pullback distance is based on what retest are. I don't know. The pullback is distance is I don't know. I can't really say the distance. I don't know what you mean by distance to be sincere. Because I don't know that the pullback, which is where I'm expecting the pullback. Some people will be waiting wait for pullback to breaker block. Some people will be waiting for pullback to other block. But this point here, this is my own zone where I'm interested in this place here. At least everybody knows the strategy I trade. We are this thing. So if there's a different level, I don't see pullback to this place where the market clear the liquidity here. Are you getting my point? I'm not going to take a trade. That's it. But some people they wait for the pullback on the breaker block. I don't trade the breaker block. There's a time I was a trader, there was a time I used it, but now I've cancelled it from my trading setup. I no longer trade breaker block. I don't have the retracement back to the normal as in to that key level. I don't trade. I trade only key level now. I don't trade all those what was it called? Inner zone. No, I don't trade them. I don't trade them anymore. So I don't know what you mean by distance, but the distance doesn't really matter to me. What I matter to me is that the market will pull back to the level whereby I want to see it. If I see it there, boom, I see my confirmation, boom, I take a trade. But if I don't see it there, I let it go. So not every trade that you'll be catching. Not every trade you'll be catching. But let me ask, what do you mean by that? The pullback distance? I still don't understand what you mean by that distance. I don't understand what you mean by that distance. Can you make it clear under the comment section? Let me know. I'm waiting. Yeah, exactly. Thank God you know me very well. I use engulfing candle. If I don't even mention you know it very well. Thank you for that. So when it get back to where it clearly sweep the liquidity, so I will see that okay, you have to done a pull back to the key level whereby I did a liquidity sweep, and I will see engulfing of rejecting that place. Once I see my like this one now, we are waiting for sell, so I must see bearish engulfing. Once I see my bearish engulfing, I take my trade and I close my chart to see what market. Market is not there for market to decide on whatever they want to do. Are you getting my point? So thank you for that. So that's part of people that have been following me for a long time. For me to know that I'm using a coffee candle for confirmation, yeah. I use Ngobe candle. That's only candle. I love using Ngobe candle a lot. I love using Ngobe candle. I love it. Okay, we are still going on. So by 1:45, we see how this candle decide. But currently, I'm not lie to you, I've seen a break of structure here. But the question now is that we wait for a pullback to this level here before we follow this sell. And don't forget, this sell is not a impulsive movement on a higher time frame. We have to be very careful so that that means if you are taking a risk, we should take a very small risk on it because It's still a pullback on the lower time frame. It's not an higher time frame rather. Higher time frame is very bullish. So this movement here, we don't know where the retracement movement is going to, because the retracement movement not a is a pullback on higher time frame, and we don't know when it's going to do. So we are taking sell. We are not going to hold it for long. We are going to be making it short sell. I get my point. But at least you must still give us 1:3 trade. We must make sure that it's the 1:3 trade that we are taking. So this very new year that is coming, I'm going to be very strict. I'm not going to be taking a trade that is less than 1:3. I'm not. So any trade that's no less than less than 1:3, I'm not going to take them at all this year, this coming year. So I want to be very strict with my risk reward. 1:3, even if I'm risking 150 p on a good, I will make sure that the profit I will be having from it will be what's it called? The profit I will be having is at least 450 p, because if you multiply 150 by 3, that will be 450. So it's my very nice trade. So I want to be very straight by next year. I'm not taking a random trade next year. So I've already defeated my random trade out of my identity trade next year. So this I will be taking all my trade by next year. No, this I will be taking all my trades. So and don't forget, this is a repulsive movement. If you have a retracement movement, like I said, so the retracement movement. If we now, where am I expecting the market to sell to? I'm expecting the market to clear this place as a liquidity to sell. So I'm expecting the market to sell down to this place here of 34398. And like I said, market is a retracement movement. It might not be, as in we have to be following the structure down, because on a higher time frame, we are very bullish, very strong bullish on higher time frame, very bullish, very strong bullish on higher time frame. So we have to still be careful. We have to still be careful. But the last low we have on 15 minutes, this is the last low that we have on 15 minutes. But I'm expecting this low to be taken out, to be taken out. So we are still waiting. So the next candle will be closing in the next 7 minutes. So we still have more time to stay here. We still have more time. Yes, see, like I said, what I use this year to do, I think I told someone is that I let us know that this strategy can be used for scalping and can be used on a swing trade. The only difference then is that is going to be as a the time frame is going to be different. Like this trade now, this USD JPY, it was being taken on 1 hour time frame, not on 15-minute time frame. I have my confirmation on a 15 minute, on 1 hour time frame, not on 15-minute time frame. So that one now that happened to make it to be a swing trader, a swing trade. But 15 minutes, you can also break it down to 15 minutes. That when you see it on 15 minutes, you also can take it. All this buy here that I've seen on what's it called on good. I couldn't follow up the buy. I couldn't take the buy because none of them meet the criteria of my entry. Even though they happen in Asia session, even though I'm going to change my trading plan for next year. But this year has not ended, so I'm still following the trading plan for this year. So, but next year, I'm changing my trading plan. I've already done it. I just need to activate it. And which means after Christmas, I'll be activating my, what's it called, my new trading plan, which means we are going to be Asian session. Because most of the currency pair I want to be trading, they happens to be Asian session. JPY pair happens to be Asian session pair. So we are going to not that we are not going to take the trade on another session, but especially gold and USDJPY, they are going to be Asia and New York to Asia. So all the morning time you can be using it to do whatever you want to do. But when it comes to this particular time, from 3:40 to early in the morning around 6 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., we are using it to look for trading setup. So you can have my signal from any time within that time frame. You can have my signal within the London session too, but it's going to be strictly based on maybe GBP, JPY, because GBP is for London. So I'm going to be trading PA according to their session. So out of their session, I'm going to be going on break. But this particular gold, I'm just telling you, gold run on every 3 sessions, but I only pick New York and Asia session as my trading PA, as my session to be trading gold next year. So other peers, I will still look for when they feed, when they feed. But most next year, all my peers are going to be JPY pair. It's only good that's going to be different from JPY pair. All my trade for next year are going to be coming from JPY pair. I'm going to be trading Euro JPY, GBP JPY, USD JPY, CAD JPY, AUDJPY. I'm going to include them. We are trading the same setup on every one of them. The same setup, nothing is changing. Any zone, we are waiting for pullback for any zone that clear liquidity. And from there, we start our engulfing candle, we take that trade. That's what we are doing next year. We are repeating every system. That's what we are doing. It's very simple. It's just a trading rule. If you are not seeing, so because gold will tend to be moving very well in Asian session, very very well than London session. So I'm scrapping out my what was it called? My London session. So that's it. And one more thing, like as I said, if you are just joining me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video content, you'll be first as the first part of people to get notified and come and watch it. And whenever I come live like this to share value content, like it's not valuable. At least all this thing I've been sharing is something that we paid for. I paid for it, and people pay for it. But for now, I don't have any. As in, I'm still sharing them with you. So, as in, it's still valuable content. It's still valuable something that you need to upgrade yourself. Next year, no more. What build a millionaire in Madam on a Telegram channel. Car owner must come out from that Telegram channel by next year, if you whether you want it or not. Or else, if you are not active, you want to follow me up by next year. That's why we not have all those people next year. But car owner, that educational, we must have them from that my Telegram channel next year. So, and like I said, use the broker. Everything I will be doing, I'm using is what I will be doing as in advising you. I'll be recommending for you both in my on my Twitter, both on my Telegram channel, and both on my WhatsApp. Everywhere, if you are active and everywhere, just make sure you are active. So go to the comment section. You will see a link I pin under the comment section. Click on that link, register for an account, verify it. You only need your ID card, either NIN slip or NIN plastic, or international passport or driving license. Use it to verify the account. And make sure you go to your OPay to get your utility bill. They accept OPay statement of account for you to do what? To register for, to verify your address. Once you are done with that, what do? Make sure you fund the account for them to get 50% welcome bonus from them. 50% welcome bonus is not a Christmas giveaway. It's for every first deposit on their account. They give 50% welcome bonus. And this bonus is something you can withdraw. It's different from every other broker bonus. You can use it you can withdraw it. Even if you make money with it, you can withdraw everything together. There's no restriction on it. They give you 50% welcome bonus. And if you successfully register on it, make sure you send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp. Let me send it to them. They promise to do giveaway for every new client on their platform. So that's about that. So about the trading, we've already talked about the impact of patience, being patient in the market. And please, everything I'm telling you, like I always tell my students, if you want to be a successful trader, you have to be a successful person in real life. Your personality must show that you are a successful person. Patience is not only applicable in the market, because if you are not patient in real life, for you to replicate it in trading will be very hard. You cannot say you apply patience in the market, you don't want to apply patience in the real life. It's not working that way. So which means patience must be your number one quality in as in your personality, part of your personality. There's something we hear, even people will insult you. Apply patience, like okay, before you give response. Maybe there are people that deserve your response. Maybe there are people that don't deserve your response. Don't let your anger, don't let your emotion control you. Are you getting my point? Not everybody that insults you that deserve an answer. Some people insult you to get the best out of you. Are you getting my point? Whereby some people they insult you, but they are very, very low. Even them, what they are insulting you for, you see that you are even responding to them, just like as if you are responding to a madman. You walk away. So patience is a key, it's a personality quality, as it's a quality that you must possess as a personality before you can replicate it in the trading. So that's all about that. So we can see that the market have already done successful change of character. So let's now see if the market will do a pullback for us, or you just want to move down to a lower time as an higher time frame pullback for us to have another buy. Because on gold this year, like I said, the secret I'm sharing with every drop on gold is an opportunity to buy. Every drop on gold is an opportunity to buy. So that's why when it comes to buy, I just take a little bit risk on the sell. Are you getting my point? So let's just wait. We are still here. We are still using at least 15 minutes have closed. We've seen that this is a successful break of structure. Let's now see that if the market lower time frame is going to give us a pullback for us to have a short time trade, or the sell is want to continue to a higher time frame so that we can have a what as we have a buy setup on the higher time to be having a trade of a 1:5, 1:2. See it. Everybody know how I trade. My trade is always RRR is always very interesting. I will take a trade. Some people say, "Are you sure you are going to win this trade?" Because it's showing 1:10. I will say by the grace of God. People who have been with me for a very long time, they know me with that. So we are still on this live session. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the Telegram link. Don't always forget to share the also live stream. This live, there's a place you can click as in share button. Always share. Let's also have people. You too, as I'm also helping, because even if I collect money from you to be teaching you, me teaching you how to make money is like helping someone to grow. Because the more I grow, the more people around me grow, the more I also grow. So why don't you also share the opportunity that the more you also grow, people around you, let them also grow. Are you getting my point? People that you know that they are a trader, they struggle. Share the lane with them. Let them also do life. Let them also attend life. Let them also learn one or two things from me, what you are also learning. Because when they become a profitable trader, it's not going to stop you from you become a profitable trader, because you know the market. If you make money, you're going to withdraw it. You know how much you are going to make. As in how much you make, it doesn't stop me how much I'm going to make. It doesn't stop. So let's share the live. Let's share the Telegram channel link. Let's get more people to. Let's also help more people. If you can't help them by teaching them, bring them to me. I will teach them. You know that I love teaching. I love teaching. It's one of my things as a commitment. It's one of my commitments. So share it with the link. Don't let us keep it to yourself again alone. That's why we say use the opportunity, share the opportunity. So the opportunity you have with me, let's use it to share, let's use it to grow together. Are you getting my point? Sometimes it's not even for the giveaway to be coming from me. It might be coming from a student like our boss. So yeah, I want to do giveaway in the Telegram channel. It's because they already make money from me. If he's not making money, will he also want to do giveaway? I've done giveaway in my boss Telegram channel a lot of time. I would just tell my boss that, oh yeah, I want to do this giveaway or so amount in their Telegram channel, because I'm making money from his Telegram channel. With them, when I was using the training, the time when I was training in his Telegram channel, I would do giveaway. So it's not bad if you have something like that too, because the more people grow, the more I grow too. So when people are growing, I'm also growing. People that don't know, that already know about bright life trading now, they cannot be talking about bright life trading without talking about the impact it have on them. So you also sharing with them, they will say, if not for this person that share me this place where he also acquired the knowledge. So if not for him, I wouldn't have be here. Let's share the link whenever we come live. Let's make sure you share the link on our WhatsApp page, on our WhatsApp status, on our WhatsApp groups, on our social media pages. Let's share the group. Let's invite more people. The Telegram link is still there. You can go to the Telegram channel, get the link, share it with people. Let's also have more people to join us. That's when the more we have fun. It's not only Telegram, like I said, it's a community. Even if you need help, where people are making money and this thing, for you also to say, oh yeah, no, I need an account. Who can get me an account? For people to get you an account will be very easy. You might not even know you an account. It might not even be me. Are you getting my point? So let's also share the opportunity with people that are around us that we know that they are also struggling. Let's also share the opportunity. Let's do that. And don't forget, anything I recommend in the Telegram channel, make sure you are doing it, because number one, I use them for my giveaway, because active members are the one I usually give giveaway to reward them for being loyal, for being active. So I do give you giveaways. I send my Twitter link. Connect with me on Twitter. I'm very, very active on Twitter. Oh. I catch fun, I catch cruise, because making money doesn't mean that you should be very serious every time. So you have to also be what catching fun on social media. So I catch fun and do active. So connect with me there too. You can connect with me and let's also be catching fun together. The more you catch fun, the more your account will also start growing. Like people tend to be knowing that they will say this person is also a trader. That's it. I'm growing, you are growing. Let's just do it that way. Are you getting my point? Because like I said, 2026 is a goal, as is a money making year for us. If you are not even ready to make money, I will push you to make money. Nothing you can do about it. I will push you. I'll be very strict with some people in my Telegram channel. You must make money. Making money is a real goal. It's a real goal in 2026. It's a real goal in 2026. So thank you everyone for partaking on this live session. Like I said, it's my pathway of it's my way of commitment myself to help people. So tomorrow is another day. We don't have trades for now, but when the market do a pullback within the time we are going off, I will send a signal to the Telegram channel. Make sure you are active. And like I always say, every signal I send, make sure you practice risk management according to your emotion. There is no perfect setup. There is no 100% winning strategy. But like I told you, I can't shoot 3 times and we will not have one trade. But if you risk all your fun on one trade, how will you risk the next trade for you to have a winning trade with me? Are you getting my point? So make sure you practice risk management. Even though I'm sending you a signal, Don't still forget that your risk management is very, very important. Sure you do it according to your own pocket, not according to my own way. Because the way the way all of us work for money is different. Me, I can risk $100 on a trade. Maybe I can have $300 and be risking $100 per trade. But some people might have $300 and they are not good. They can't afford to be risking $100 per trade. Maybe they can what they can afford to be listening is $30, $20, or $50. Just do it according to what fits your emotion that it will not break you. And when you are winning, it will have you cover your losses. And be consistent with the loss size. Be consistent with the loss size. Be consistent with the loss size. So those things are very, very important when you are trading with me. Are you getting my point? So these are what I have for us for today. Thank you everyone for partaking in this live session. Thank you for the active user. Thank you for being there. So I believe as in my reward that is coming, my giveaway, which is a festive season giveaway. You are going when you are active very well. You are going to as it's not going to pass you. That's when I say you should connect with me on Twitter, connect with me on Telegram because I can run out my giveaway on any of the platforms on any of the platform. So connect with me there. So thank you everyone. Like I said, don't forget to share the opportunities too. Whenever we have live, share the live with your WhatsApp status, share them on your social media pages, and make sure you share the Telegram page too. Let's grow, let's grow, let people start coming in. Let's also grow, let's help people. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. If you are someone that's still coming back to watch this video, the live video will be saved under the live in my Telegram channel. You can come back to come and watch it. And if you need any link, maybe my Telegram link or you need my the brokers are recommended link. So they are inputted in the description box. Go to the description box, take the link, and make sure you register and verify it. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. If you have any question, can you drop it under the comment section before we end this session? Any question? Ask your question now. We have 5 minutes to ask question. Ask a question now. We have 5 minutes to ask question. Ask a question under the comment section. I'm still watching. I'm still here for the next 5 minutes. I'm here to answer any question. I give 5 minutes to answer any question, as in to ask for question and answer. Yeah, I'm waiting for question. I'm waiting for question. If you are just joining us to not miss tomorrow's session, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come live like this, you will get notified and you can join us on time. We have already shared a lot of values. As I believe we have spent 2 hours and we have shared a lot of value within that 2 hours. It's very, very easy. Like I told you, okay, let me what's it called? Let me do a recap. Like I told you, this is a retracement movement, and gold is very crazy. Gold is very crazy. Where we are expecting the gold to do a pullback to, it might not do a drop into that place. It might not drop. What I say, every drop on gold is an opportunity to buy. Every drop on gold is an opportunity to buy. So, but where it's going to drop to is where we don't know. That's when we have to be careful when we are following a sell market on gold, because it might not settle where you are expecting to settle for it to continue buying. There are not people that are following structure. There are people that as in they are trading, they are buying due to what is happening in the economy. As we all know that Asian countries, even China and Japan, they are having issue, and there are a lot of issues that is happening in Asian country. So all the central banks in those places, they are pushing their money to buy gold. So that's when we don't know when they are going to come into. They are not using. They are just using price algorithm. They are not using structure like the way we use structure. Are you getting my point? So where it's going to drop to, we might not be able to determine that. But me, according to my setup, I'm expecting to drop to 4420. 4420. I'm expecting to drop to 4420. With my own analysis here, I'm expecting to drop to 4420. And for the person that asked me question, like quick recap for my strategy, like I can see, this one here now is a break of structure. This trend line structure, like market is starting the retracement movement. Sorry, 1 minute. I have a network fluctuation. Okay, like what I said, okay, this thing now, you can see a pullback. So you get my point. This pullback, I'm expecting this pullback to come to at least with this 4,400, which is 4,399.98, which is 4,400, before we have a buy algorithm as a buyback. But now, this sell, if it did not come back down to sell straight, where am I expecting to get buy to as a to get buy? I will get myself involved when it comes back to this zone where it cleared the liquidity. This is the zone where it cleared the liquidity. So this is where I'm expecting to market to retrace back to before I enter my sell market. And when I'm selling, I'm not selling targeting this place. I'm targeting to sell to target where the structure where the market pick buy from, because it might go to that place and still getting return of as in pushing up to continue the buy trend. Are you getting my point? But the quick recap is that now this place has clear liquidity. You can back to this liquidity where you clear the liquidity to come sell back. Are you getting my point? That's it. That's a quick recap. On higher time frame, lower time frame, let me show you on USDJPY that I took a trade, USDJPY, for you to see that it's still the same concept I use on a higher time frame on USDJPY. Okay, use USDJPY. Let me go to 4 hour. Okay, this is 4 hour. This 4 hour. You can see this place here. This place here clear the liquidity. This place here clear the liquidity of this place. And what do I expect? The market come back to that key zone here to do what? To push up a buy. You can see how the market set down to this place here and pick up a buy. So what my patience was to wait for this set to happen back to this key level that clear the liquidity and a pick up. And that the same thing I'm expecting on gold on 15-minute time frame. The same thing. But this 4 hour, instead of this 4 hour, I'm expecting it on 15 minutes on gold. One minute, the network is fluctuating, so I'm having a very sorry, there's my network is very slow here. Okay, you can see now this 15. Okay, this is still 1 hour. Let me go to 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. So the same thing I did on USD GPY. You can see this place will clear the liquidity. I'll be expecting a pullback to this clear of liquidity here. But this one on 15 minutes, not on 4 hour time frame. Are you getting my point? So that's a quick recap of my strategy on lower time frame. So that's all about that. So any other question? Okay. I are you if you have the question is that you need a good book to learn what's it called forex trading. There's a book I prepared myself in my Telegram channel. If you are active in my Telegram channel, so you can get a book there, or if you want it, you can. There's my number is displayed on my Telegram channel, so you can send me a link. I will send you the book for you to read this concept very well. But what I recommend to people is that I won't lie to you. Reading a book will not help you. Reading a book will not help you because the only thing that can help you is maybe you watch my as in videos on YouTube and I can recommend some videos for you to watch. I have a lot of videos on YouTube that I've already teach forex trading. You can go and watch them, and if you have any question, you can come back to me. And part of the best way to learn is that, yeah, it can be doing on any single time. You can be doing on a single time frame. You can be doing on any single time frame. So what I'm trying to say about the book, you can go to my Telegram channel. There are some book I've already prepared and prepare myself. So you can go to that and start reading the book, and from there you start as in you start learning. But the best way for you to learn is by watching video. I don't lie to you. I have a lot of video on my YouTube under my YouTube. You can go and watch the video in my YouTube. And if you have any question, I'm always available to answer any of the question. That if you watch any video and you don't understand something, ask me question. I will explain better for you, because that's the only best way you can learn. Because what we are trading is a live market. Are you getting my point? It's not something like is fixed or something like this thing. The image you are using to trade today might be the same image for tomorrow, but it will appear in different form. I don't know, maybe you understand my point. So watching a video, if you don't understand, that's what I'm here for you as a mentor to guide you. I get my point. Any of my video that you watch, just send me a message on WhatsApp. If you don't have my number, you can join my Telegram channel. Well, if you are from my Telegram channel, you will see my what's it called? You will see my number there. You can message me on WhatsApp for any question. I don't charge for that. And like I said, I'm not running mentorship class for now. So anything you want to learn, you still have chance to message me and ask me any question. Like maybe something you are confused about something. So you have right to message me for now for free of charge. Are you getting my point? So that's all about that. And if you need a book, there are some books I prepared personally myself. So if you are not on my Telegram channel, if you connect with me from my WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp. Let me give you my link to Telegram channel, so you can get those books and read them. And if you have any question from reading the book too, you can still message me. I will attend to you and I will give you a proper guide. So, like I said, my main goal for 2026 is to build traders, successful traders that are making money consistently, because there are a lot of things we want us to do together out of even trading. We want to do business, we want to do, and people that are making money are the one that can do business. You get my point. So, and this is the only way I know to make money, and I will be ready. I'm very, very ready to teach you of how to make money. So, so do you have any question? I'm still here. I'm still available. I'm not tired. You can ask any question that you want. So, what we mean is that, yeah, you can do it any time frame that you see the setup. Just take care, but make sure that they are very, very, as in you make sure that you see them. You see a liquidity, that sweep break structure. When it break structure, wait for a pullback to that zone again. Like I told you when you are having class together at that time, I told you that any low that clear liquidity is already a protected low. So we will expect the market to pull back to that place, but we don't expect it to hit that low and markets to continue the trend. I think you'll be remember that thing when I told you when I teach you about protected low. So that's all about that. So if you have any question, please message me, ask a question in the Telegram channel or message me on WhatsApp. I'm very ready to attend to any question that you have or any way that can help you to become a profitable trader. I'm ready, ready, ready. I'm very, very ready for that. But don't forget, you don't subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. And the link I share with you, please, on the comment section, I pin them to go click on the link, register for an account, verify it, and fund your account so that anytime I send a signal in my Telegram channel, you'll be able to take trade with them. Are you getting my point? So that's all about that. And we are still meeting by tomorrow by 2 p.m. for the same value for different topic, but the same value that you get today is the same value you'll be getting tomorrow. And you can still ask any question. Thank you everyone for joining my session. Please do have a good day. Bye everyone. Don't forget you can message me for any question on WhatsApp or Telegram. Don't forget that I'm always available. I'm always online. I'm always ready to help. Bye everyone. Do have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.